Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 8 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and we've got an incredibly cool prize today from our good friends over at GOOLOO, and I'll talk about this in a little bit. But first, what happens if you mistakenly eat some Christmas decorations off the tree? Well, you might just get tinselitis. On the 8th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new GOOLOO jump starter. That's right, this is a jump starter and an air compressor. Now, I've talked about GOOLOO before on the channel, and I'll have a full review of this product over the next couple of days. But this company is brilliant in the way they design products. Now, this one is a jump starter for your car, because how many of us have gone outside on a cold winter morning, put our key in the ignition, turn the key, and all you hear is because your battery got too low to actually start the car. Well, if you have one of these, you can clamp it to your battery and the car will start. It's got plenty of starting power, 4,000 amps of starting power, but it doesn't stop there. The unit is also an air compressor. It's a 160 PSI air compressor, which means if you need air for your tires, you can connect it and pump up your tires. You can pump up a raft, you can pump up an air mattress, pump up a basketball. It's a really cool product. And it doesn't stop there. It's got a charging port on it so you can charge all of your portable devices when you're out in the field. And you think that's enough? It's not. It's got a flashlight built into it as well, so you can illuminate when you're changing your tire or adding pressure or jump starting your car. It's really a clever product, and I think one of the necessary accessories that you should have in your car. And it's from GOOLOO, so we're giving this one away today. I think it's a wonderful product. I've got a couple of these. I have them in my kids' cars, just in case there's a problem on the road. Anyway, this company has been so supportive of the channel. We really appreciate all the support they've shown us. They've given us a couple of products to give away over this Christmas holiday, and I could not be more excited to ship this to you. Now, the contest could not be easier. We're going to put a link below in the description. Click that link. It'll bring up a simple form that'll ask for your email and your username on YouTube, and that way I have a couple of ways to get a hold of you. We'll collect up all the entries for the next 7 days, and after the 7 days, we'll shut it down, we'll close our eyes, and we'll pull somebody out of those 7 entries, and we'll send you an email saying, good news, you won the brand new GOOLOO jump starter. Send us your address. We'll put this in a box and ship it directly. Now, what's interesting about the GOOLOO products is they're actually going to ship it to you directly. So you're going to have it arrive in a couple of days. You're going to open up the box. You're going to have the jump starter, and then you'll have the peace of mind knowing as you're driving around the countryside, if you get in your car and it won't start, you can clip this to your battery and start your car. So I'm really excited about giving this one away. You can tell. Anyway, that's it for today. Now, again, I've got 4 more days coming. And these last 4 days, not that this wasn't incredible, are going to be even better because there might just be something in those last 4 days that elevates, that takes off and heads up into the sky and flies a little bit around the countryside. Who knows what's in there? So stay tuned to the channel for the last 4. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. And that way, when I post one of these giveaway clips, you'll get a little ding on your phone and you'll know that we've posted another clip. Plus, you're joining the Drone Valley family, which is a whole lot of fun. Anyway, that's it for today. Again, 4 more days to go. I hope you guys are having a great holiday. And until tomorrow, happy flying.